Hey there, English learners! It's Alina, and I'm super excited to hang out with you all today. We're going to dive into something really cool and useful for everyone learning English: how to talk about yourself. Seriously, it's a question we get asked a million times, right? In a new class, meeting new people, maybe even a job interview. And sometimes it can feel a bit tricky figuring out what to share. But no worries. We're going to make it simple and fun. So, let's kick things off with the basics. My name is Alina, and I'm from London. Yep, a big, bustling city, and I absolutely love it. I live in an apartment here, and while it's not huge, it's super cozy, and it's home. Now, about my age. I'm 26 years old. And what do I do? Well, I'm a student. I'm studying graphic design, and I'm totally passionate about it. I love bringing ideas to life visually. It's challenging but so rewarding. Next up, family. I'm lucky to have an older sister, Anya. She's 29 and she's a musician. Super talented. She plays the guitar. Our family's pretty creative, actually. My mum is a photographer and my dad is an architect. And pets? Oh, I adore them. I have a fluffy little cat named Mittens. She's a calico and honestly, she's probably the sleepiest cat you'll ever meet. She practically naps all day, living her best life. Now for the fun stuff, my favourite things. When it comes to food, I'm a huge fan of sushi. I could eat it every day. My favourite colour is definitely purple, and my favourite animal, besides Mittens, is an owl. They're just so majestic and wise-looking. As for hobbies, obviously my studies tie into this a lot. I spend a bunch of time on graphic design projects, but I also love painting and drawing in my free time. It's so relaxing. And when I need to unwind, I'm usually curled up with a good fantasy novel or binging a comedy show. I love a good laugh. But hey, we all have things we're not so keen on, right? For me, I really dislike overly spicy food. My taste buds just can't handle it. And one thing I absolutely dread is waiting in long queues. It's such a time waster. Oh, and I'm definitely not a morning person. I cherish my sleep. See? It's pretty straightforward to talk about yourself. You can just pick a few things you like and don't like. For example, hi, I'm Alina and I'm a graphic design student. I love sushi and painting, but I really don't like spicy food or getting up early. It's a simple, friendly way to kick off a conversation and show a bit of your personality. You don't have to spill your whole life story at once. Maybe just your name and what you do, or a hobby you're passionate about. Like, if you're at a party, you could say, "Hi, I'm Alina, and I love watching animated movies and reading fantasy books." That's a perfect conversation starter. Someone might ask, "Oh, what kind of animated movies?" And just like that, you're chatting away and making a new friend. So, I hope this helps you feel more confident about introducing yourself in English. Keep it simple, be friendly, and don't be afraid to share a little bit about the awesome person you are. A smile always helps too. Well, our time is flying by, as it always does when you're having fun. Before I sign off, a huge favour to ask. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. It really helps us reach more English learners out there. And for our question of the day, I want you to practice. Head down to the comments section and tell me about yourself. Just a sentence or two is perfect. Like, my name is your name, I'm from your country, or my favourite hobby is your hobby. I'd absolutely love to read your comments and get to know you all a little better. Thanks so much for listening today, everyone. It's been a pleasure. Stay safe, keep practicing, and I'll catch you next time with another fun episode. Bye for now!